it's garbage. But that's what you get with half a day's coding and some very basic Blender modeling. But yeah, a physics physics-based pod racing game, essentially. A little bit of rendering issues because I can't drive like this. I'm looking through the phone. And that's a full lap. Yeah. So, this is the map. All of it right here. Tunnels back here. And it's all sitting inside of this floating area. The landscape background. Yeah, I just sculpted this in Blender. And there's the pod racer. It's at 0.006 scale to get this to work.